Hello everyone, and welcome to a short video which talks about how to solve for a segment. So here I have drawn a triangle and I have this line which goes across here, and you just need to know that that line is parallel to our base. That means that these numbers are going to have a relationship to each other, and we can use that relationship to solve for x. Now, the whole reason that I'm making this video is because students often freak out about what their ratio should look like. And so I just want to kind of take the edge off by saying it does not have to be the exact ratio that Fred uses or even that I use. All of these, well, let me just show you. So here I'm going to stay on this side, and I'm going to say 5 over 10. So I'm doing on one side, I'm doing this segment plus over this segment equals, and now I'm going to do this side, 7.5 over x. Now to solve this, I would cross multiply. So I would get 5x equals 75. Divide both sides by 5, and I get x equals, what does that equal? 15. X equals 15. Okay? So that is one way that I could set up the ratio. I want to show you that you can do it another way though. I could do this small segment on this side divided by this small segment on that side equals this big segment on this side over x. And here I get 5x equals 75. Divide by 5, divide by 5. I still get x equals 15. Okay? So I could do it that way. I could also do it this way. I could say big 10 over big X equals big 5, that is over here, divided by 7.5, right? So I just did this side, then this side, this side, then this side. And if I do this, I get 75 equals 5x, and we know already that that gives me x equals 15. I could also do x over 7.5. So that is, I'm working on this side of the equation. I'm doing the bottom section and then the top section. So then I go to this side and I do the bottom section over the top section. And I get 5x equals 75. So once again, I know that x equals 15. So my point is that you're always going to get x equals 15 in this situation, so long as you are thoughtful when you set up your ratio. You can set it up however you want, but it should make sense. If you start with the top section, then you should, if you do top over bottom, then on the other equation you should do top over bottom. If you do top this side over top that side, then you should do bottom this side over bottom that side. So it should just make sense. You should have a plan. You can't just take these numbers and throw them in anywhere. Like you can't do 5 over x equals 10 over 7.5. That will not work. Okay? So if you start with the top on this side and go to the top on that side, then that's the way you do your bottoms. If you keep it nice and orderly and neat, you will get the right answer no matter how you do it.